Let's Google 2 with us. This is the box, how it looks. The front, the company seal, and the details. Here we have 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, Android Cherry 4.2, a camera 12 megapixel front and 5 megapixel clear camera. Memory 16 GB, 1 GB RAM है, and other features. We have a 2600 mAh very big and large battery here. So now let's unbox this and see what we have inside the box. Amazing. Here we have the device at the top. The cover. Put it side. We have a look it from later. Now what we have inside the box. We have a screen clip cover, user manuals, on the guard, stick, and USB cable, a nice USB cable. You can see Micromax have changed a little bit in his technology and devices. Earphones, nice headphones with cover, and what we have, charger, the standard USB charger. That's all. Now where is the battery? We don't have a battery inside. There is no battery. Our battery is in the phone. Yeah, battery maybe this is the device. Very nice and sleek, white color front, big, very big screen, and metallic aluminum back. This is very nice, and we have the sensors here, a 12 megapixel camera, and on off button, volume buttons, the charging slot, and a okay. I think the battery is inside in the device. We cannot रिमूव द बैटरी फ्रॉम दिस. ऐसा फीचर हमने एप्पल में भी देखा है. एप्पल फ़ोन्स की जो बैटरीज आती हैं उनको रिमूव नहीं कर सकते, वो डिवाइस में ही आती हैं. वी हैव टू बैक पैनल्स फ्रंट. यू कैन सी ए वीडियो प्लेयर आइकन, एम लाइट, प्ले स्टोर, म्यूजिक, कॉन्टैक्ट्स, फ़ोन बुक, ब्राउज़र, एंड हियर वी हैव वाईफाई और other slots, airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS devices. It has a Opera Mini browser pre-installed, like other applications. Pretty smooth. This is the other icons. We have clock, Google Chrome, email, Fruit Devil, Gallery, Game Hub, Game. M Zone, movie studio, navigation,